فينشرح قلبي.
آذان الفجر يغمرني
بصوت ندائه العذبي.
مع النجمات ينثرني
أصوم فينشرح قلبي ويهدى البال وتهنى الحال لخل قد رأى خله. مضى عام على لقياه ما أحلاه قد حلاه.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello civil engineers and welcome to the 23rd episode of Civil 53, the building executions, steps and tips. This is gonna be the last step in the building executions process. There will be 2 more episodes to conclude this series, Civil 53, the building executions, steps and tips. Before we jump in and start the 23rd episode, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Step 23, the last step, warranty period. When the project is completed and handed over into the owner, the contractor specifies a warranty period. Within this period, any defects found in the building constructed have to be fixed and replaced with the contractor in charge. The warranty for appliances and materials are obtained from manufacturers and suppliers. Tip 23, the last tip. Good luck. Construction isn't a business for the faint of heart, even for the buyer. It's full of delays, sudden changes in plan, and generalized chaos. But choosing the right team of experts and having a clear vision and plenty of money in your budget will help make the process less scary. No guarantees about less tricky or shorter, so by this we can conclude the 23rd episode of Civil 53, the building executions, steps and tips. See you tomorrow at the same time, Insha Allah.